Hello, all you calculus lovers. Here's an interesting limit question that I saw. The question of the day. Find the limit of x towards infinity of 3x squared minus 1 all divided by 3x. Subtract 2x squared plus x divided by 2x. So there I rewrote the question, and what I have to do is join them all together into one fraction in case when x goes towards infinity, these two might go towards two totally different things at the same time. It's best to put them together. So I'm going to rewrite x. And the first thing I would do, in fact, I'm going to stop for a few seconds so I can think about the next step. It's find a common denominator. So that was multiplied by 2. So the top must be multiplied by 2. 6x squared minus 2. And this was multiplied by 3. Now here, I'm going to do it all in one step. I'm going to multiply it by 3. And because it's a subtraction sign, I have to change the signs. So that's minus 6x squared. That plus becomes a minus 3x. Okay, I actually did it in one step because it's minus this bracket, and if you open up the bracket, they change the signs. Equals. Do you know something? I'm going to redo this question by writing it out first. It's much, much nicer than me talking it. So, and I'm going to put this one on the YouTube as well. So see you all soon.